Are you running ads for your products on Amazon and other sellers getting credit for the sale? Hey, this is Nick Hodge with Sellers Arena, and in this video, I'm gonna go over something that causes a lot of confusion sometimes, and that is if you lose the buy box, if you run out of inventory and other sellers are selling on your listing, are you still running ads and paying for those sales, or do you automatically just stop paying for them? There's two different scenarios in this case. So one is if you're running sponsored product ads, okay? Those are the normal ads that we can see here, showing up in the search results, okay? These top of search ads right here. If you lose the buy box, if you run out of inventory for whatever reason, you're not actually selling your product anymore, these ads will automatically turn off for you. You're not going to pay for the sales of somebody else that maybe, running on the tailcoats of your listing. All of a sudden now they have the buy box. You're not going to pay for that. However, the second scenario